This video demonstrates light guide systems used for an assembly process. Starting with component inspection, the user advances with soft buttons. Once assembly begins, light guide will only advance when the proper part is picked and located, with visual and audible feedback if the wrong part is picked. Soft fixturing guides part alignment, and the build instructions proceed, again, in a no faults forward process. Animations enhance the visual guidance, and vision sensors auto-advance the build sequence when the right part is in the right location. Countdown timers can pace critical processes, here instructing the user to wipe down the part so that it is free of oil and debris. Again, vision sensors confirm the proper part location, and the step-by-step build sequence continues, with graphics and animation guiding the process. Both vision confirmation and soft button confirmation can be used interchangeably to advance the build sequence. If any component is improperly placed, light guide provides feedback, in this case including text, which indicates the dry plate is incorrectly positioned. Again, the process can advance only when the part is properly located and assembled. A check burr inspection is confirmed by the user with a soft button, followed by the final assembly guidance to place an O-ring. A high-precision vision sensor is used to detect the O-ring is properly located, and once confirmed, the build process is complete.